Now, in order to learn search engine optimization, the best teacher is simply evaluating the search engine results page. Because the search engine results page is going to show you what the search engines deem as being the most vital, important information because of what it shows the searcher. We can learn from what it shows the searcher and apply that to our own websites in the first step of optimization. So what we're interested in is the term that people use. We're interested in the results and how the results are shown. Is it blended results? Can we take advantage of that? What are the other results on the page and what do we have to compete with? And then also, what is the snippet? We're going to break down what the snippet is, but basically that's the listing for your website, and there are multiple components that make that up. Then we're going to look at the primary elements of the search result page, of the snippet, and figure out what we can learn and how we can apply it. So the first thing that's important to know are what words the searcher uses. We call those the search query or the keyword. The words that searchers type are the key phrases, keywords, or search queries that we're looking for. And also what we want to know is how closely does it match the results that are on the page. You see, when someone types in something like New York hotels, the results are full of snippets, and again, the snippet is that grouping for each website result. And so what we can see here is that the keyword match of New York hotels is throughout nearly every snippet. There are some differences here, and we're going to look at that. The first difference is context. Just because someone typed in New York hotels doesn't mean that every result has to line up specifically. So we can see city in between New York and hotels. We can see it reversed with hotels in New York, or just New York by itself. See, that snippet is important because what we're looking at is the page title in blue, the URL is in green, and the description is the black text. Once in a while, you'll see site links underneath there. Those are in blue as well. So whatever is in blue is clickable as a link to the website. So this is the primary basis of a snippet: the page title, the URL, and description. The page title is critical because the page title is the first marketing message that a searcher will see about your website. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can build these page titles. You can be short and sweet. So if someone types in New York hotels and that's who you want to get and that's where you want to rank, then you just make your page title New York hotels. Or you can make it a little longer and provide a unique sales proposition. So TripAdvisor says New York City hotels, check out 430 hotels with 220,000 reviews. So not only did they use the right keyword, but they expanded beyond there to give a sales proposition. Same thing with Expedia, compare hotels. Hilton, New York hotels, but then they say their brand name, Hilton, New York, New York. You see, there's a lot of different ways that you can construct your page title based on the brand, based on what you do, based on your type of business. But what you're doing when you add more words is you're extending the relevance and you're extending your ability to rank for different words. And so you can rank for Broadway shows or New York tours. Putting all of that into one title, though, as you'll notice, though, it kind of trails off and you get the ellipsis. That means that the page title wasn't going to fit. It's too long. And what I've seen that works best is that titles that are short, that encapsulate a specific thought or a sales proposition are the most quickly and easily read and do the best at attracting a click. So in understanding our search results, the page title is everything. It's the largest, boldest, and most easily read text on the page. The page description is that smaller black text, and we're going to look at how we can build a marketing message into that, and the URL so that people can see what page it is. And of course, as a brand, you're really interested in those indented results and those page links to make those appear. Now, what can we learn from that? We're going to take that and we're going to pull it into some more understanding of search results, keyword research, and start plugging it into the page to make our snippets look great and attractive to the searcher.